I am so proud today. I am proud to be a member of Landscape Ontario. Today, we are celebrating the opening of this world-class facility that is owned by two world-class professional landscapes associations, Landscape Ontario and CNLA.
People will come here to aim higher, they'll become better, they'll reflect our profession well, and they'll inspire the next generation. So I think that's the important part of this building. I've watched the members come in. This building belongs to everyone in this room, and I can sense the pride that you have for your building. So congratulations to all of you.
Thank you to our Board of Directors of Landscape Ontario, representing our thousands of members. They had the vision and leadership to allow this project to unfold, not just allocating, but allocating the appropriate funding to do it right. All of the above combined to produce this amazing building, and we should all be very proud to call it home. Thanks to the board of members for allowing me to be in a lead position on this project and to get rid of the bed sheet on the wall. It was an honor to be involved. Thank you.
Well, I mean, the grand opening today is the end of a long, long road of reinvigoration and reinvesting back into the association. We've got so many members that put time and effort, and staff being here for years, giving their hearts every day. This new building really brings together the CNLA family and the LO family even closer, so our aligned missions can, really improve horticulture, improve the profession for the next 50 years.
The first time I ever came to the LO office, I actually thought it was a barn in the middle of nowhere. And, and then today we're in this world-class professional building that honestly, as a member, you walk in and you feel how you should being in this profession. You walk in and everything's so bright, everything's well thought out. We have meeting rooms, educational facilities. We have places to actually sit and have a meeting without worrying about the toilets or the septic. It really suits our industry for sure.
It's a fantastic building. What a place to do networking, what a place to do education. It just makes you feel like you belong. It's totally green, it's visible. There's sight lines everywhere are beautiful.
Having this building shows the profession off. It gives us the ability to provide all sorts of things for our members. We can have a lot more in-house meetings. The lighting group is having its symposium here next February. Everything is here. We've got washrooms at work. It really has risen up to where the standard that Landscape Ontario should be.
Facility. Well, it's amazing to see so many people come together to make this happen. It's not a small feat, and not all industries have something so fantastic to make you come home, right? So this is a place to come home to. It's a home base for not just the people that work at LO, but the members themselves. So now we have a place to have meetings, have networking. Now we have a place where our provincial board can come together and know that this is home for them, and a base that's central, that everybody can come together.
I'm so proud today. As a Landscape Ontario member, I'm proud of our building. Everywhere I look, I see the outside, and really that's what represents us, is the outside. And this building is all about the members and what it's going to do for our future.